Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to make custom commands in Laravel. So the first one you will understand makes command files, makes custom commands, register command and also write commands outputs. Okay, so what is command? Like for example, you use the command in Laravel like php artisan make controller makes model migrate. Okay, so this is the command, and you can also create your own command by yourself for using in your projects. Okay, so now let's go to the project together, and the first one I want to show you some existing command in Laravel like php artisan. This is will show all command in Laravel. Enter it. You can see here is all the commands. Okay, so you can see here is make component. So how do we create the custom command? So now let me new terminal and create one command like php artisan makes command. You put the command name. In this case I will show you how to select or show the current database in my project. So my command should be show db, show my db. Okay, enter it, and then you can go to app console and you can see here is the command. Click on it, and here is our command file .php. You click on it and you can see here is signature, command name and description. So what is signature? Let me show you. Like php artisan, yes, like this is the signature and here is the description. So let me define here. Let me show my db, the signature show my db, and here is this is my current database. Okay, you can save it and you can run the command again. php artisan. Okay, please let's check our command. Look for show my db. Okay, you can see here is signature and here is description. So the signature is show my db. So now let me create some here. Let me create here. Here is the logic for getting the current database. Okay, you want to get some information from user table or something, you can register the code in here. Okay, so let me just write like this info. Okay, so info here is current db. Okay, let me save it and I run the command again. Clear php artisan. Okay, so you can see okay, it's the same. Let me clear again. we write like this: php artisan show, okay, my db, like this. And you can see is the output. Okay, so this is you specify the logic or the code for creating the output you want. Okay, so like this. In this case, I need to get the current database name in here. So we need to import the db class, use illuminate, okay, illuminates supports, and then db. You save it and you specify in here. Just you write like this: db connection, db connection, and you write a function get db, get database name. Okay, you can see, and you save it, and let me run the command output php artisan show my db. So let me check the error in this. Okay, we have something wrong on import db, so we need facets. Let's save it and we try again, clear this, and we run our command again: artisan show my db. Okay, that's right. You can see his my db is inventory, so you can go to see and check our current db in env here. You can see it's a inventory database. Okay, so actually you can register the all command in kernel in here. Okay, but by default we have the load function in here for loading all command in here and register to the addition automatically. Okay, but you can also customize, like you can customize by yourself, like you can write like sorry, okay, like this protect this command like this. Okay, and wall, then you specify command, and the command name is show my db. Okay, my db class. Okay, so you can save it and you can test again. p artisan show my db. Okay, you can see it's correct. So you can customize manually also in the kernel. Okay, but if you don't want to register it kernel, you just put the default, it will register or command to addition also. Okay, so that's all for my presentation about how to customize the commands. And if you have any question, you can comment in my comment box and I will reply to you. Okay, so thank you for watching.